All right, we're at Raj's shop and we are doing the oil in the Audi. It's pretty clean down here for the most part. It did have a valve cover leak at one point and that's been changed. So we're gonna clean everything up, keep an eye on it. The usual, this control arm is bent compared to the left side. You can see the spacing between the fender there and the fender there. So it's this guy right here. You can tell the difference in them. And we're also going to be putting aftermarket headers on Tyler's car and his short shifter. So it's gonna be a fun day. So here's the goodies that Tyler is putting on his car. TOMEI equal length, right Ty?
Yes.
Equal length headers and the up pipe. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. What's on the car now, unequal?
We think
Yeah, we think it's unequal. I'll show you guys when we're under the car. All right, well, Raj does my oil filter housing. I'll show you guys the header that's on Tyler's car right now. It definitely does look aftermarket and it does look equal length. So we'll be replacing this and the up pipe today, and we're just soaking it in penetrant right now. But other than that, his car looks pretty clean, which is nice to see. We have noticed that the front passenger side got hit at some point, but under the car looks perfectly fine. Everything aligns. That would have sucked if I was standing there. And I was going to. But no, everything's all good. He just has a blue fender at some point and a different headlight than an actual STi. It looks like it was replaced with like a WRX or something. But other than that, it's in really good shape. All right, so if you guys recall Tyler's car when it came off the truck, it's starting to look a lot different. I think we added, well, he added, because COVID, he hasn't been in my garage, but Cusco catch can. He did a big like ground kit for his stereo. Not for his stereo, but he did a ground kit on the engine and then ran a power block to the back for his really, really nice stereo setup he has in the back. And a TOMEI inlet hose, all the vac hoses that he's replaced. He's got some nice clamps on there, I see. So it's coming along nice, this thing. And he has like some kind of brake brace and full exhaust, of course. So that's Tyler's car so far. They're doing the short shifter right now, and we're gonna be doing the TOMEI headers right after. Then if we go to the boring Audi here, nothing to see but oil leaks and you know, channel grommets that are not in place. But on the bright side, we did do the transmission, and it took about 3.5 quarts, and online it says 2.5 quarts. Not sure why, but anyway, it took 3.5 quarts there, and it's pretty clean under here. Like I said, it's just really oily over here. We did find out that it had a loose, looks like a turbo oil drain or feed. That one, it was drooping there, and just generally wet up here from the valve cover. So we're gonna clean all this up, shampoo it, spray it down, and oil will be done and transmission will be done in the Audi. All right, so the shifter cradle is out, and I didn't film that because I was over at my leaky Audi. But there's that mount back there, and Raj is just putting the nice polyurethane bushings into the shifter cradle up there. So we did have to drop it down from just a little bit, just from the transmission mount. So it hangs down a bit so you can get at everything really easy and nice. All right, now we're just putting the cradle in. So both bushings are in the polyurethane. This one's just a press in. It's a 2-piece with bolt channel. And then we got the rear one up there. So we're putting those in and then shifter up top. There's Tyler's fancy new shifter. You got the roll pin in already?
Yep.
It's all good?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Try shifting it. See if it's... Yeah, it looks a little stiff like mine. No? Or is that okay?
What should be okay.
When I did mine, guys, mine was like super, super solid, like hard to move. So we're just making sure that we don't
This is loose.
make this same mistake. It's loose. Yeah, so tighten it and then do a quarter turn. That's what I did with mine. Because it's only supposed to be like, I can't remember what it is. Like 8 foot-pounds or something like that. I'll have to look it up.
It's enough.
Okay. we are done rinsing this guy off here, and it is way cleaner than it was, so at least I'll have a good starting point to pinpoint any leaks that I see. Again, this engine is very common for leaking. I see the starter over there, I think, and that starter looks ridiculous compared to starters on other non-German cars, but there's a couple things on this vehicle that are like, what the heck are they thinking? So yeah, just way cleaner now. Nice. Out with the old. So Raj actually tackled the up pipe from beneath, which I didn't think was a possibility, but he got his handy dandy tools that I don't have, and he got them off somehow. I'm probably in his way, so I'm gonna get off the camera, but yeah, he got the two front ones from up top and the two rear ones from beneath. So that's awesome. So now I know where I'm coming to get my exhaust done. So Tyler gave me this, told me to translate it. I'm not going to translate it, but I'm going to look at the pictures. And it's telling us we have to loosen the motor mounts. So that's what Raj is doing now, and that's what we have to do to get the up pipe out and then back in, I'm assuming. So that's that picture right there. It's pretty cool. Some quality stuff here. And the pipes on the TOMEI stuff look larger. What are you doing over here?
Anti-seize.
Oh, it came with new studs. That's good. I was going to ask that. I forgot to. No idea what he wants to do. So Raj got it out. And here's the TOMEI. And this is, I think it's shorter, is it not?
Yep.
Yeah, it's way shorter. I bet you this one will be a lot easier to put in. And Tyler made this beautiful. So pipe diameter the same. This one looks a little bit bigger. It doesn't have that. Yeah, it is a bit bigger. Yep.
Well, you can see it's stepped inside.
Yeah, I know. So there's the TOMEI. It's gonna be nice. This one will be easier to put in for sure. Anyone know what brand this is? Tell me in the comments below, because it looks like factory underneath the heat shield, but we don't think it is factory, of course. That's definitely not factory. So it must be aftermarket, but we don't know what brand it is. I guess it's kind of important to read the instructions, eh?
That was just the studs.
I think we were supposed to take the downpipe off. That's why the gasket's there.
Okay.
It's so nice, man. I'm jealous. Yeah. New TOMEI headers, looking just perfect. Beautiful. Makes me want to do this to mine. Proper fitment too, like no problems. While Raj finishes up the up pipe, I just want to show you guys the reinforcement on the bolt holes and where the nut rests. It's pretty cool. You don't see that too often, or that thought through, and the welds too are just really, really good. Obviously, TOMEI is usually a pretty nice product. So he has TOMEI headers and he has a TOMEI inlet pipe. But look at that, just the thought that goes into everything. It's beautiful. So one thing I just wanted to show you guys is the torque specs for these is 30 Newton meters, and then for the up pipe bolts it's 35, just FYI. So we'll be torquing those down soon. Sounds really nice. Very deep. We'll have to ask Tyler if it's different though, because I don't know. Sound different? Deeper, yeah. It sounds really good back here. It sounds good. Smoking everywhere. Yeah. I know, for a long time. The Supra took a while.
We did a bike and it looked like a hey, the black wrap is way worse. It's for average, that's not so
Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. It's a different style of video than you're used to seeing on my channel. And basically, I drove the new car, the Audi, to a buddy's shop, and there was nothing really exciting going on with it. We just did some maintenance, as you've seen, and then Tyler brought along his STi. So I wanted to do more of a vlog style, just kind of show you what's going on with both cars versus diving right in and telling you step by step what we did. But, you know, I'm going to try that too going forward. I'm not going to do a lot, or sorry, I'm not going to do only step by step what I'm doing. I just want to bring you guys along and show you, you know, what's going on with the vehicles. So that's essentially what I tried to do. But that's what the channel's about, automotive mainly. I'm going to try to do vlog style videos as you've seen yesterday. It's gonna just be a slow process than a fast one because I'm probably not that good at it. So yeah, don't be too harsh on you know, rating the channel based off that video alone. But that's what the channel's about. And if you guys do enjoy automotive content, I got my STi here and Supra and the Jag that and the B7 Audi that I do plan on putting lots of work into and making a fun summer out of it. So hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. All right, peace everybody, thanks.